A farmer and then a doctor, based off what they provide, who should be more respected? Doctor and a farmer, who should be more respected?
Also, so in my view, I think the farmer is more important, is to be more respected. Sorry.
Yeah, boy.
Just say, you just have to choose the person based on what they do. They are not humans. Based on what they, based on what they know, personality, their profession. Yes, and what they will provide to you.
Charlie, I'll go with Stonebwoy. Have you eaten? We are eating.
It's the Agri Vibe segment on the Phone Direct TV, and my name is Efo Selassie. Today, we are not on the farm, we are not in the market, we are here on the campus, and we are asking just one simple question. A farmer and a doctor, who should be more respected based off what they do? Watch the students share their opinions on what they think about this topic. What do you think about this topic? Let's go. We all talk. So, this is Agri Vibes on the Phone Direct TV, and my name is Efo Selassie. We have here Angela and then Crystal. Okay, today the question is simple. A farmer and then a doctor, based off what they provide, who should be more respected? Let's start with Abigail. Abigail, a farmer and a doctor.
Okay, so I think both. We are both.
We'll go for both. Okay, so all right, we'll come back to a farmer and then
Both should be respected, but I'm both a farmer.
My
My reason being that, you see, they produce the fruits and then other things. So when you produce the fruit and eat them, you prevent maintenance.
that's a good point. You will go for both. Let's say you have a doctor and a farmer, based off what they provide. Let's do it. No physical, no picture. You love.
Quite challenge job. We'll go for doctors.
Okay.
Because doctors are rich. You know?
Doctors are rich.
You know, farmers are also rich. Hey, they are confused.
Okay.
They are very rich.
That's a good.
Yeah, they are all rich.
So, do you think farmers are respected here in Ghana?
No, no.
Why do you think?
I don't know. People look down on us and their work, and then I feel like we need to add more education to what they do. Yes. They are doing a lot, and then even coming together with the chemicals, the what to plant, the time to plant, and all that. We need to educate them more, and then most of the people see them to be kids. Yes, so I think we should give them more respect.
And to add to that, it's not like they are not respected. People feel it's because they do not go to the offices and they do not do the right college job. You see their ways in dirty. I don't really understand it. But you see with the doctors, they are more just official. They are going to the office, they are seeing people. But a farmer will not be dressed like how a doctor would dress. That's why they do not really respect farmers.
Thank you for talking to us. If you can introduce yourself, if you're on social media, would you want them to follow you or maybe?
Yeah, not on social. Yeah, not on social.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we have two beautiful ladies here on the campus of UPSC. Can you introduce yourself? Yeah. Very actually. Okay, so we are asking two
Obviously, so it's very, very important. They are very, very important. They are not bringing out the important. We the doctors to even save lives.
Why do you think it comes? This is Agri Vibe. We are talking to students, the next generation of engineers, farmers, and all of that. We have here, I have here with me, what's her name? Nana Ekobidi. So we are asking a farmer and then a doctor. Which profession should be more respected than based on what?
A farmer and a doctor. Both are very important, right? But I feel like a farmer is less respected when it comes to the professional career because the doctor is white collar and all that fancy. But I feel like a farmer should be respected more because actually like the back end. Okay, so they with the food, stuff, family. So like exactly, it's respected more than, not more than, but we give them more respect than people right now.
But do you think farmers are respected in there?
Not really. I feel like they see like farming has to be something you do when you don't have money or something. But I feel like some farmers are actually very rude. It's just like a little kick coming to it.
Okay, so given the opportunity, they give you 50,000 knowledge from the farm, and they give you the option to choose whether to farm or to sell it and do whatever you want to get. Which one will you?
$1,000, lots of land. I'll farm. I'll definitely farm. Because I'll grow the money. Because I can invest in it basically. I'll grow the money. And it's always in demand. It's not something that can just go out of demand. Everybody needs human leave. Yeah, so I'll definitely do it.
All right, sharp. Thank you very much. Okay.
So my name is Martin. I'm a student of UPSA, Education Studies.
Communication studies. I like it. Okay, all right. So today we are asking one question: a farmer and then a doctor. Which profession should be more receptive?
I would say that they are all respected. They need to be respected in their own special, because at the end of the day, what does the doctor eat? And when the farmer falls sick, who does it? So I believe that they are all important in their own way. We can't just mix something that is not meant to. They are all important. But then I'll go to the doctor and I'll get stuff through there and roll food stuff.
That's nice. So if you have a doctor wife and you are not married, a lady who is a doctor, is a farmer, right? Based on what they provide, who would you marry? Who would you look for?
Personally, I wouldn't really center my attention on the profession. But if I'm going to base it off of profession, no, I can't choose, because I would not base this off of a profession. The fact that the woman is working alone is a plus for me. And then I feel like I would rather bond with a lady more on their intellectual capacity. I'll bond with them more on their intellectual capacity than what they can bring to the table.
Okay, so just say you just have to choose the person based on what they do. They are not humans. Based on what they do. Based on what they know, personality, their profession. Yes, yeah. And what they will provide to you.
Charlie, I'll go with Stoneboy. I didn't mention any profession, but you know, yeah. I'll go with Stoneboy.
Okay,
you know.
A doctor and a farmer. Who should be more respected?
I would choose a doctor.
A doctor.
Yes.
Why?
Because when you go to the hospital for your health care and your checkups, you waiting for a doctor to check up. Maybe they're having some illness and maybe they will give you some medicine to cure your illness to select a farm. But they are all important. They are all important. But to select a family.
Okay. I want to ask, based on what you just said, if we should give you are not married, right? We should give you two ladies. One is a doctor, and one is a farmer. Based off what you can get from them. This one is securely based off what they can get from them. Which one do you choose?
Still choose a doctor.
You still choose a doctor. Hey, you come back the home.
I'll still choose a doctor.
But do you think farmers are respected in India?
Nah.
What do you think?
You are respected because of all the kind the work we are doing on the create they got the fiscal from the farm to the market
Thank you. Here with two beautiful ladies. They are both Erica. Erica, can you introduce yourself a little bit? Something short.
Okay, so I'm Erica, Elinam Afamre. Level 200 business administration student.
Okay. Well, then,
Erica saying, level 200 business administration. University of Education, Stevens.
Oh, okay, that's nice. Today, we want to ask a simple question. The doctor and the farmer, those should be more respected. The doctor and the farmer needs to be more respected.
Okay, so in my view, I think the farmer is more important. It is to be more respected.
Okay.
Sorry, than the.
What about it?
You
You can choose one.
Okay.
Oh.
The farmer produces ice food and the doctor gives us health. Here are the case that sometimes the stuff that we use in agricultural farms may not be healthy for our life or something. So we can really eat them or something. We have to go to the hospital for proper checkups.
Okay.
So both are very important. Can't choose one.
Okay. Can you make it, please?
I think the farmer is more important because firstly, the farmer provides us with food. In fact, anything we eat comes from the farm. But being it tomato, rice, vegetables, it comes from the farm. Yeah. So I think if the farmer is more respected or we put his profession aside and consider the doctor more, I think
It's yes.
yeah, you're not being fair.
Yes.
Yeah.
If
So that's why I would choose the farmer over the doctor.
Oh.
The doctor, one word, that is very important too.
Okay.
For me, I think that the farmer is more important.
Okay. I think you have something to say.
Yeah. You see, in the olden days, those children are like maybe they come out maybe it is not fully 9 months, but they come out like 6 months or 7 months. They were not having incubators.
Okay.
So because of that, they were dying. But here like the case that we have hospitals and doctors around to put them in incubators, so they are able to save those children.
Okay.
And in life, health and food is very, very important. So food is pure, eating, pure, okay.
Okay. So you choose one, a doctor and a farmer. Let's say you are to marry a doctor and a person based on their profession, based on what they provide.
Marry.
Yeah, marry based on what they provide, not maybe the person's going based on what the person provides. You really choose. You really choose a farmer with food and a doctor with medicine. You choose a doctor. Oh, okay. I think Erica is just trying to be controversial. Anyway, thank you very much. Who would you marry, a doctor or a farmer? Based on what they do. Oh, hey.
A farmer.
A farmer.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so married a farmer.
Are you sure?
Yes, because
It took some time.
Yeah, farming goes a long way.
Okay.
You import, we get profit, you get money. Yeah, so I think we shouldn't look down on farming. Yeah, it's a profession.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. We have something to say. So if I give you say $50,000 and then 5-acre land, will you sell it and then guess and go life, or you go into farming? I give you the option of going into farming or just oh, you do with a bad.
Okay, I can give it to someone to maybe do farming with it.
You've never considered it. Why?
I don't have interest in farming.
Okay.
But maybe if I'm to give it to someone to start a business with it, to give me from it profits.
What option will you choose?
Simple question.
So if you get, if they give $50,000 or 5-acre land, they give the option to go into farming, any other thing if you do it.
Yes, I have considered that. Yeah. But it's not all the time that you have to go to the market to food stuff. If you have your own land and you can farm and it's what you need, I think it's cool. Yeah, so I can do that.
Right.
And I can't do that on my own, so I think I'll bring in workers to assist me. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. We just spoke to Erica. We are UPSA. Thank you, guys. All right.
Yeah, so this segment was proudly brought to you by www.afooddirect.com. It's a platform that connects farmers to buyers directly. There's a link in the description and the comment section below. You can check on how to register as a buyer or as a farmer. Thank you for watching.